Well, I've got a job on today and I don't even know if I'm going to be able to do it. It's a headlight job and it's on an Audi A6. And the job in question is a lens replacement. So here's new lens, look. In kitchen, on kitchen side. If I were last seen it on kitchen side, she'd probably strangle us like, but she's not here, she's at work, so it's alright, she doesn't know. She'll only know if she sees this video, and she's not really likely to watch it, I don't think. Anyway, what I'm going to have to do is remove that bumper, remove that headlight, and then replace the lens. So I've just jacked this side of the car up for now, and I'm going to remove this panel here. Half the screws are missing on this odd bus. Anyway, there's one there that needs to come out. There's obviously been one there, but someone's removed it. There would have been one there, someone's removed it. There's one in there that needs to come out. Bend that out the way, and there's a screw just up there. With that removed, it might pull out. Does pull out, but something's fixing it underneath, and that'll be them along there. So I've took them out right across, and I'm going to try and pry this corner away. I missed one. Right, screw there, one down there, and there's one in there, hiding. There's that one in there, you can't see it, but the screwdriver's on it, so you've got an idea where it is. So don't undo that one because it's the wrong one. The one you want to undo is on the front in there. So I've not shown it, but it does just actually just pull out. Give it a bit of a wiggle and pull it forwards, and it'll just pull out. Got this clip here, that's a TWAT. So I've got that headlight unit removed, and you can probably tell by my voice, I'm not very enthusiastic because it's freezing cold outside. It's about -2 or -3. Crimea River. Anyway, I've cleaned it up a bit, got some of the grime off it, and now I've got the horrible, ugly, stinking job of getting the lens off. sick as a pig. I've been on with this for over an hour now. So I've just been going around with a blade and cutting round there and then pulling it up with some pliers. So just been using that and using these to try and get it pulled out. With gloves on, of course, and I've slipped a couple of times and nearly stabbed my leg and come close to other regions. Anyway, back to it. What an ugly chew on. What an absolute pain in the ass. So that's bust. Now what I can do about that. Job's nigh and impossible to do. So now I've got to clean all that out of there, which will be fun. So I've painfully removed all the sealer out of there now, and what was left of the lens in that gap. What a painful day it's been removing that in the freezing cold. Anyway, it's all done now, and the lens is ready to go on. I'm going to put some of this Sikaflex around here now for it to bond the new glass in with. Well, that's bonded on there now, and I put some tape on there just to secure it. It can come off tomorrow. So it's looking a lot better than what it did. Well, it's time to get this rotten job finished and get the headlight back in. And you'll notice I've got my head torch on. Well, that's another pig ugly job done. I hope I've put you off. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe for more. I've got some great videos coming this year. Lots more accident damage, motorcycle repairs and product reviews. And don't forget my involvement with the Barry Sheen event at Oliver's Mount. Well, that's it for now. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video.